Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This is my personal experience using InvestEngine. InvestEngine, a UK-based robo-advisor, offers a cost-effective and flexible pathway to investing in globally diversified ETF portfolios. Designed for both beginners and intermediate investors, InvestEngine provides a straightforward and affordable solution for wealth growth without demanding active investment management. A key feature of InvestEngine is its dual approach. You can choose a managed portfolio, where InvestEngine automatically constructs and manages a portfolio tailored to your risk profile, or opt for a DIY portfolio, granting you complete control over ETF selection while enjoying fee-free investing. This dual approach caters to both hands-off investors seeking convenience and those who prefer a more active role in managing their investments. The managed portfolio service is particularly competitive, boasting no management fees, a significant advantage over many other robo-advisors. You only pay the underlying fund costs, which average around 0.25% annually. This low-cost model maximizes your investment returns over the long term. Portfolios are diversified across asset classes and geographies, ensuring balanced exposure while aligning with your individual risk tolerance and financial goals. InvestEngine's user-friendly platform is another highlight. The app and web dashboard offer clear insights into portfolio performance, asset allocations, and potential future growth projections. Features such as auto-invest and dividend reinvestment make it an excellent choice for passive wealth building. Furthermore, InvestEngine supports ISA and business accounts, providing tax-efficient options for both individual and corporate investors. While InvestEngine shines in its simplicity and affordability, it may not be ideal for those seeking more advanced features like sophisticated financial planning tools or tax loss harvesting strategies. However, for investors who prioritize low fees, flexibility, and a straightforward investing experience, InvestEngine presents a compelling option. If InvestEngine sounds like it might be the right fit for your investing needs, explore the links provided in the description below to delve deeper into its features and begin building your investment portfolio today.